to another exciting tutorial. Today, we'll be diving into creating our pet shop section. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss out on the latest tutorials. Okay, so let's start by creating a shape first. We're going to use this for a background. Now, I'm just going to look at the wireframe we created first. And it looks like we need a title and paragraph on the left side and 4 cards on the right. Let's change the background color. Next, I'm going to create a title. To do that, just click the T, create a text box, and type in Pet Shop. I'm going to increase the font size, select the text, increase the font size. Now I'm going to create a paragraph. I'm just going to duplicate this, click and drag, press the Alt key, and release. I'm going to decrease the font size. I'm going to use a plugin to add some dummy data. To use this plugin, add the number of words and then select words. It will autofill the text box that was selected. Now I'm gonna remove all of the access text. I'm gonna make the title bold. Next, I'm gonna change the font style. I'm gonna make half of the text a different color. To do that, select the text, go to the fill, and change the color. And for the other half, I'm gonna select the text, remove the fill, and then click on stroke and increase the stroke thickness. Now I'm going to copy the word shop, select it, cut it, create a text box, and then paste it. Then remove the stroke. And now we have 2 different texts with 2 different styles. Next, I'm going to create our 4 cards. To do that, create a shape, duplicate the shape by selecting it, dragging it, pressing Alt, and then release. Now, to create the other 2 shapes, I'm going to select both of them and do the same thing by dragging, pressing Alt, and then release. Now I have 4 shapes. Now I'm going to select all 4 of them and then round the corners. I'm going to group them up. To do that, right click, select group. After selecting all 4 of them, now I'm going to look at the dummy data and decide what categories to give our cards. Now I'm going to start styling our cards. First, I'm going to change the background. But it's going to take more time to style each of them. So first, I'm going to style one of them, and then I'm going to duplicate that, and then edit the things we need to edit to change them according to the categories. I'm going to add a circle to the bottom right corner. Now I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to make it a lighter color. Now I'm going to make a clipping mask, and since we want the same background, I'm going to duplicate the shape. I'm going to select all 3 of them, right click, use as clipping mask, select that option, and now we have this card. And now I'm going to add a drop shadow to our card. Go to effects on the right side, press the plus icon, and it will create a drop shadow effect. Then just mess around with the settings until you have a good drop shadow effect. Now I'm just going to copy and paste this card a few times. So just press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Now just drag each one of them out and place them accordingly. Let's add some text to define the title of our category. I'm going to increase the font size. And also, I'm going to change the font family. Also, let's change the text color to white. Now, I'm just going to duplicate this for each of the cards, and I'm going to change the name accordingly. Next, I'm going to get some icons for each of our categories, and for that, I'm going to use a plugin called Icon Aid. In the search bar, I'm going to type in the name of the category and look for some icons related to that category. Now, I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of our categories. Now add each of the icons to the mask group related to their categories. Now, just select the icon from the mask group and then just drag it into place. Now, let's just quickly add a button. To do that, let's select the button that we created previously. Just drag, and before releasing, press the Alt key and then release to duplicate the button, and then just change the style of the button. And let's also change the text. And there you go, we are done with our pet shop section. So like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.